The US government openly called on other countries to support its idea to imposing a price cap on Russian energy, which spooked investors and led to a considerable rise in oil prices. In fact, an embargo on Russian energy imports imposed by Western countries targets third countries. Another fact which is equally important is that any attempt to regulate prices inevitably leads to a shortage of a product that is subject to this measure. This means that the driving force behind the recent surge in oil prices has been the threat of real energy shortages. Therefore, if Western economic powers welcome this initiative at the G7 summit, the asset will adoptedly extend gains. According to the trading chart, Brent crude oil futures set at about 6%. The area of $105 per barrel acted as variable support, where the volume of short positions decreased. At the moment, the quote is approaching the area of a battle for the control between bears and bulls, limited by the levels of $113 and $115, which may result in a slowdown in the upward cycle. After rising to $1,840 per 3 ounce, gold prices went down sharply. As a result, the yellow metal lost over $10, dropping to the lows posted last week. Likewise, gold seems to be forming a range between the levels of $1,825 and $1,840. At the moment, there are no fundamental factors that could have a severe impact on the metal's dynamics. Therefore, it can be assumed that gold will be hemmed into a sideways range in the near term. To continue its decline and break through the key level of 1,800, the quote needs to fix below the 820 mark on the forward chart. Until then, the risk of a price rebound remains. Speaking of the Russian currency, ratings agency Moody's has confirmed that Russia defaulted on a foreign debt, but the market has not yet reacted to this news. By and large, there may be no reaction. Indeed, in order to recognize the fact of default, official confirmation of the default should come from at least one more rating agency. Furthermore, it's quite obvious that this default is artificial, since Western countries have Russia's ability to make their payments. In response, Russia carried out payments in domestic currency. All funds are kept in special banks' accounts with the National Settlement Depository. However, US and EU authorities have banned their financial institutions from accepting payments in Russian currency. Thus, this default is largely symbolic. Besides, the share of foreign market participants in the Russian market is so small that there will be no capital fight caused by this decision. Meanwhile, the main factors contributing to the Russian currency strength are both gas sales in rubles and extremely tight monetary policy being pursued by the Bank of Russia. In other words, there are no signs of a decline in the value of the ruble. That's all for now. We continue to learn developments on financial markets. Subscribe to our channel and follow news with us. See you soon.